Hello everyone, you're welcome to PeaceFul YouTube channel. Please, if you're watching us for the first time, please turn on the subscription button and also like the video, and please also share this video with your friends and your loved one. So today I'll be telling you some basic things about graphic design. The name of this application that I'm using is PixelLab. PixelLab is the name of this application that I'm using right now. So I will just be telling you some basic things about graphic design in PixelLab. Actually, there are other apps that you can use for designs. There are other apps like Canva. There are a lot of apps that you can actually use for your design. But today I'll be making use of PixelLab only. So let's get to the work for today. So now, and whenever you enter your PixelLab, at first, this is what you're gonna see: new text. This is what you're gonna see: new text. So there's a possibility of you deleting it here at this delete button here. You can see I delete this object. Okay, so the new text is actually being deleted. You can see all this function. You can use any one you want. This is the normal one, default. You can see there are different type of things you can use there. You can see 3D, but that's not where I'm going to today. Let me delete this again. So at this a place is actually meant for like adding text to your graphics or to your design. Adding text like text, you can add different type of text here. You see anything you want to write. Okay, let me use my name for example: peaceful peace. Okay, you can see now this is my name. Like I said, this a side is mainly for adding of text. Maybe if you want to edit, if you want to delete, if you want to copy any of the thing, or if you want to increase the size. You can see you can increase the size of your text and you can also reduce it. So this place is mainly used for text, and you can also add colors. Any color you want. There are different type of color you want. There are a lot of colors. You can see the cadence. There are a lot of color that you can use. A lot of color that Pixel Lab have. So you can use any color of your choice, and you can also add textures. Maybe when next I'm doing that video, I'll be explaining about textures. There are a lot of things you can do. You can change the font of your text. A lot of things you can, anything you want to do, you can change it. Look at the text, it's already changed already. Look at it, you can change the font of the text, and you can also make it bold. You can make it white, you can also make it slant. Look at it, something like this. So there are a lot of things you can do with this. You can also add the background to your text. Something like this. Use a background, a beautiful background you can add to your text. So let me delete that for now. So this other side is mainly for shape and for other things. Look at it, you have different type of shape that you can use for your design. Different type of shape that you can use, either this, anyone. You can reduce it and you can also reduce it. You can see at this place you can edit the shape, either you add color, anything you want to do about the shape. Texture also, you can do a lot of things. Look at a lot of things you can do here. So there's stroke, there's what they call stroke. Maybe you want to add another color beside it, something like this. Look at, I can put any color I like, any color of my choice. So any color you can use there. And this is 3D. We can also use 3D for text also, but that's not what I'm going for now. And this is shadow. You can also use it for text, inner shadow for text, and emboss for text also. So let me delete this object also. So this place is mainly for your background, or if you wish to add image or something from your gallery, you can change the color of your background, something like this. The whole background, you can change the color from here. You can see I have different colors, but let me make use of white for now. So that's all that I think you should know about the basic for now. So today I'll be teaching you how to design a simple flyer that you can do in less than maybe it's not up to 10 minutes. A simple flyer that I can do. So let me bring out the flyer out. So we'll be designing this flyer. Let me just change the background for now. So this is the flyer that we'll be designing today. Pixel Lab Graphic, Peaceful Peace. That's my WhatsApp and my phone number. So the first thing we should do, we need to bring our application, which is Pixel Lab, and we also need to what? bring the baby that is over here. Our application also bring the baby that is over here. So let's bring our application out, the picture of our application rather. Pixel lab. I've already removed the background of this pixel lab. There's actually a background that it has before, but I remove it. So I'll be doing another video on how to remove picture background, a lot of things the background. So I've already removed the background of this pixel lab. You can see it. I've already removed the background of the pixel lab. I will also bring the baby. Look at it. I'm going to be using a different baby today, and I've also removed the background of this baby also. So I want to change the way the baby is facing. I want it this way. This it. Exactly. I've already removed the background of the baby. So I'll be using a different baby today. I don't want to use the exact baby that I used to design this my flyer. So let's get to the work. So you just position it the way you want. Let me just enlarge it so you can just get what you need. Something like this. You can reduce the shape. I think this is much more better. Okay, something like this is much more better like that. Pixel lab. Now let's go for the text. Like I say this A side is mainly for the text. That is I X E double L IXE double S. Let me increase the size. Now this is what we got. Let me hide this baby for now. Since it's not yet time for me to use it. So let me just increase it. Just like that. So let me use the picture. Rather the color. Let me change the color. Let me get the color that I can use. Okay. Okay, this is the color that I want to use for my text. Then this is it. Pixel. Like we're almost there. And so it's time for us to bring the I and the A. The A and the B rather. So let's bring the A again. A. Let's increase the size. Let's put it here. Something like this is much better. Then we can make it bold. Let's make the A bold. Or let's just leave it like that the way it is. Okay, better. Then let's bring our B. Okay, let's also increase the size of the B. Let's reduce a little pixel lab. Now let's change the color. And let's also add the color to our A, which is color black. That's it. This is what we get now. Pixel lab. This is what we have. So you can lock your text in order for you not to not to do a mistake there. You can just lock your text. That's it. Then let me bring this to the front for now. This is what we got. Pixel lab. So I'm fitting the name now. So next thing we need to bring the graphics and those two lines. Let's bring our baby first. Let's make sure our baby for now. This is our baby for now. So I'm going to be fixing the baby in a different way now. It's much more better. So this is how I'm going to be fixing my baby, since I'm not using the type of baby that I used for this flyer before. So let me also lock the baby. Okay, that's it. It's okay like that. So let's bring a little shape there. Let's not make it longer, just little too. Something like that. Much better. So let me copy it so that let's take it down. Okay, it's much more better than this. Now let's fix the graphics using our text graphics. So graphics black color for the font. Let's make it much more bold. This also you have. This much more better. So this is what we have now. So the next thing is what to fixing the name Peaceful Peace. So I won't be fixing in the name in this my video. So you can put your name. If you are bearing Janet, you can put Janet, or if you are bearing Root, you can put Root. If you are bearing Dominion, you can put and just put your name. Then also put the WhatsApp icon and what are your phone number. So this is all I'll be doing for today. So I would like you to try this and what and drop a comment in the comment section. Please try this and please that is up that looks like sim, what should I call it? Say you can save it as project or you can save it as image. So I'll be saving it for now as image. Then you say save to your gallery. Then it will be automatically saved to your gallery. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'm really grateful. Bye for now.